Look, there are 6 types of people that are probably going to be close to you. You think they're your friends, but you need to stay completely away from them. This is the type of people that will suck your energy dry. These are the ones that are going to be rooting for your favors right behind your back, but more importantly, they're the ones that are going to hold you back from your fullest potential. Today, boys, I'm going to show you the 6 type of people you should never trust. Let's go. Number 1, the dude that always needs something. See, you're probably just a nice dude that put everybody else's needs in front of your own, and in an effort to get everybody else to like you, you do what they want. The problem is that these type of people see that as a weakness and then take advantage of it. These people are time vultures, and what you need to realize is they're costing you a crap load. See, your time, it's your most valuable asset. It's more valuable than money itself. So these guys are literally stealing that from you, and you're not even realizing it. If you want to put this to a test, ask that friend of yours for an equal favor as to which he would ask you all the time. See what his response is. I don't care what the excuse is. It could be that he's sick, whatever. That if he says no, chances are you shouldn't be friends with him. Number 2, the ones that are always victims. These are the type of dudes that are always blaming everyone and everything for everything that's wrong in their life. It's because of my parents. It's because of my coach that I didn't go pro. It's because of my skin tone color that I'm not rich. Yo, it's because of YouTube. They keep banning my content. Everybody's at fault. Now, the biggest problem here is that it's not going to take long until they start rubbing off on you and you start carrying around that same energy. You got to stay far away, brother. See, us men, we face our challenges head on and fix them. Number 3, friends that bring you down. Look, misery loves company, and when your friend is a bum and he knows it, they won't stand the sight of you trying to level up or become better. So what are they going to do? They're going to mock, they're going to bully, they're going to make fun of you. Every time you're gradually trying to dress better or help your charisma or go to the gym or read more books, whatever it is, they're going to try to knock you for it. You can't trust snakes like that, bro. See, they're going to go ahead and bring you down back to your level if you do. So instead, ignore them. You can't be friends with them and level yourself up. Build that good wardrobe. Wear the clothing that makes you comfortable. Wear the pieces that make you comfortable, even if it's outside of the comfort zone of your friend group. This is why I always tell you, if you want to start leveling up your style, you don't know where to start with accessories. Something simple, something that's not a lot. One of my go-tos, a pair of frames. A pair of frames is the easiest way to start manipulating your style without actually having to redesign your entire wardrobe. Grab one good frame that sits right on your face. I promise you, not only are you going to look better, you're going to feel confident, and it's going to completely morph how you look. This is why frames are probably one of the strongest accessories a man can have in their wardrobe, and one that you should start getting. See, if you guys check out our company, Jade Black, we design frames for you. See, I want you to have quality frames, not just any bummy frames. I want frames that are going to last you 2, 3, 4, 5 years. Our frames, handmade with Italian acetate, stainless steel construction, polarized lenses, and not only that, I got you covered. See, I want you to buy the right frame, not just any frame. If you guys click the link down below, go ahead and check out our quiz. Our quiz takes about 10 to 20 seconds to complete. We're going to ask you 4 simple questions. We're going to grab those answers, and our algorithm is going to let you know what frames you should be buying for your face shape. If you guys want to check out our Jade Black frames and pick out a frame that's going to level you up instantly, go ahead and check out Jade Black. Number 4, people who just lack self-awareness. These are the people that tend to be inconsiderate, self-centered. They're so tied up in themselves, they don't see the damage that they're doing to everybody else. And instead, when you do try to call them out, they're just going to gaslight you and shift the blame back on you. Number 5, the overly positive person. Look, might be personal opinion here, but anyone that's all about positivity and spreading love and good energy and all, 8 times out of 10, they're not all about that. See, they are actually exactly opposed to that. See, they only spread love and good energy to anybody that fits their agenda. Anybody that opposes them, they consider them to be hateful. And finally, number 6, these are just annoying, the story topper. These are the type of dudes that when you share a story, they always gotta one-up you on something. Think about it this way, bro. Like, if you're willing to lie about something as insignificant as a small story, what will they do when it's something that really matters? And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 types of dudes that you just want to stay away from. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to subscribe because I'm the real one. I'm your real friend. See, I'm always looking out for you. That's it for me today. See you next time.